So, you want to know how you can actually buy Bitcoin in Canada without getting scammed? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin in Canada safely and easily using Shakepay, one of the most trusted Canadian crypto apps. And the best part, you can actually earn free Bitcoin just by shaking your phone. No joke. I'll show you how that works later on. So grab your phone and let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about why I recommend Shakepay. It's 100% Canadian, registered with CIRO, that's the Canadian Investment Regulatory Organization, and it's a member of Payments Canada, meaning your bank transfers are fast, legit, and fully compliant. Unlike a lot of sketchy offshore crypto apps, this one's regulated right here in Canada, so your money stays protected. Plus, Shakepay has zero commission fees. That means you get the full value of your Bitcoin, no hidden costs eaten into your profits. All right, let's get you signed up. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download Shakepay. When you sign up, make sure to use my referral link, which will be in the description of this video, so that you'll get free Bitcoin when you make your first $100 trade. So once you get started and you buy your first $100 worth of Bitcoin or Ethereum, Shakepay will give you an additional $20 just to say thank you. You'll get $20 and I'll also get $20. So make sure you sign up with my link, which will be in the description of this video to earn your free Bitcoin. You actually get paid in dollars and then you can decide to buy some extra Bitcoin with it. Once you're in, verify your identity. It's quick and standard for Canadian financial apps. After that, you'll be able to transfer money into your Shakepay app using Interac e-transfer, or you can do a direct deposit. Deposits are usually instant, and I'll show you how to do it in a few seconds. Now, the fun part, buying Bitcoin. First, you'll need to add money to your Shakepay cash balance. On the home screen, you'll see cash balance, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Tap Add under cash balance. You'll see options for Interac e-transfer, direct deposit, wire transfer, and crypto deposit. Interact is fastest, so tap Interac e-transfer. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit and tap Continue. Select your bank, tap Open in app and log into your banking app. Tap Continue to complete the transfer. The money will be deposited into your Shakepay cash balance within a few seconds. Once you have money in your cash balance, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Tap Bitcoin, hit Add, enter how much you want, let's say $20, hit Review Order, and tap Buy Bitcoin. Boom! You now have Bitcoin. You are a proud owner of some Satoshis. It's that simple. And if you're wondering, can I sell anytime? Absolutely. You can sell Bitcoin, send it to your bank, or even transfer it to an external wallet whenever you want. Now, here's the part everyone loves, the Shakepay Shaken Sats feature. Once you've opened your account, verified your account, maybe even purchased your first crypto, your first Bitcoin or Ethereum, all you need to do is open up your app, your Shakepay app every single day, and just literally shake your phone to earn free Bitcoin. It starts small, but it adds up. And if you keep your daily streak going, your rewards increase over time. And the more the value of Bitcoin goes up, the more the value of your bonuses and the Bitcoin you earn by shaking your phone also goes up. It's like a fun crypto habit that actually pays you. When you're ready to cash out, it's just as easy. You can sell your Bitcoin or your crypto on Shakepay. Once you sell it, you can send it to your bank via Interac transfer, or you can transfer your crypto to another wallet, maybe a cold wallet or an external wallet if you want more control. Shakepay uses cold storage, two-factor authentication, and encryption so that your funds are safe. And because it's Canadian regulated, you don't have to worry about sudden account freezes or shady policies. Now, if you've been watching the markets lately, you'll know Bitcoin and Ethereum are heating up again. Although there's been a little bit of a pullback in recent days, but generally it's been heating up, and adoption in Canada is at an all-time high. More people are realizing that crypto isn't just a fad, it's becoming a part of the mainstream economy. So whether you're a total beginner or just getting back in, Shakepay makes it simple to start safely. And so that's how you buy Bitcoin in Canada safely, easily, and with zero fees using Shakepay. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop me a comment if you've tried Shakepay or you're thinking about trying it. And remember, use my referral link, which will be in the description of this video, to get your free Bitcoin bonus when you start buying your crypto with Shakepay. Because hey, if you're going to buy Bitcoin anyway, you might as well get paid for it.